Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 29th September 2021 in the international market. Federal Chairman Jerome Powell, in prepared remarks delivered to the Senate on Tuesday, warned that higher inflation may last longer than anticipated. Jerome Powell said that the economic growth has continued to strengthen, but it has been met with an upward price pressures caused by supply chain bottlenecks and other factors. Finally, the remarks from the US Fed is coming that the inflation is elevated and will likely remain so in the coming months before moderating. Till now, Fed had continued the transitory inflation stance, but now the tone is changing and so are the yields. US 10-year yields rose another 6 basis points, closing at 154 percentage points, and 30-year rose 8 basis points, closing at 2.07 percentage points on Tuesday. On the global front, Norway became the first G10 country to raise rates from 0 to 0.25 with the possibility of another hike in December 21. Bank of England on inflation warned consumer prices were likely to climb to slightly above 4% this year, which is double than the targeted level. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $78.29 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is $75 to $80 per barrel. In the currency market, dollar index DXY is at 93.72. Dollar is getting stronger and stronger day by day. Dollar's range for today seems to be 93.53 to 93.94 is in sight. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 647 USD INR with a high of 74.11, closed at 74.06. Finally, as we were anticipating, 74 level has been taken out yesterday on a closing basis, and we feel the rupee's new level is above 74. In the domestic market, the longer end of the market is getting beaten a lot. Reason: most part of the H2 FY22 borrowing is in 10 to 14 year segment, whereas the market was anticipating more borrowing in the shorter end. Shorter end gained a bit as there was less of borrowing compared to the expectations. Market was anticipating a relief rally yesterday due to reasonable borrowing, but the global sentiment has ruined it all. Moreover, for yesterday's 2 lakh crore VRR auction, 399 was the cutoff, accepting rupees 197 lakh crore. 563 2026 closed at 569 versus 567 the previous trading day, a 2 basis points rise, but the borrowing is supportive. 664 2035 closed at 672 versus 673 the previous trading day. Trading strategy for today: 610 2031 is now at 623. US bond sell-off has intensified and we recommend to stay on sidelines until US finds a new equilibrium yields. As half yearly close is near, traders are not taking any meaningful positions and keeping the trading books lean and clean. A good holding AFS opportunity may arise in 610 2031 very soon, and our research team will update you on the same. Trading range for 610 2031 seems to be 620 to 625. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.